Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by capturing a clean, consistent take so auto-tune works predictably. Record a dry vocal with a pop filter and steady mic distance. This reduces transients that confuse pitch detection. Once recorded, solo the track and trim any leading silence so Garageband analyzes only the voiced material. Make sure the project sample rate matches your export goals, lower noise and stable performance speed tuning. Now select the best take and prepare to apply pitch correction tools. You'll add Garageband's pitch correction and set it to the song's key so the algorithm snaps notes correctly. Once the plugin is loaded, choose the exact key and scale. Wrong key causes odd shifts. Make sure response is adjusted. Higher values create fast, robotic corrections. Lower values preserve natural transitions. Listen while toggling response and retune until you hear improved intonation without artifacts. If you need more control, consider duplicating the track and automating correction strength on problem phrases. Finish by refining with flex pitch when Garageband's pitch correction can't cleanly fix a note. You can drag notes, adjust pitch drift, and correct form and artifacts. Once satisfied, add subtle compression and EQ to restore dynamics and presence. Do this after tuning so processing doesn't confuse pitch detection. When ready, bounce the project and test the vocal in the full mix. If you hear warbling or strange formant shifts, re-record the specific lines with cleaner delivery. This solves most tuning failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.